I decided to pursue like my hobbies of illustration because I knew I'd be much happier doing that. So I was studying journalism, English and media at a different university. And while I really enjoyed like those topics, the course structure was not for me. I really changed my mind because it wasn't really what I wanted to do. I was already doing illustration as like a side hobby, and I had a friend who had also switched to USW to do illustration, and they really inspired me because they made it seem like I could actually do this as a career. I basically just applied for a clearing and they got back to me within 24 hours. I'd emailed admissions and they were really, really helpful. All I had to do was make a portfolio of illustrations to show what I could do and write a statement saying why I wanted to join the university and do illustration. But yeah, it was really easy. So I did go to a Russell Group uni, but the structure really wasn't for me and it really affected my learning. So being at a creative industries uni that really focuses on our skills and like experimenting is really helpful for me as an illustrator. You can change your mind, so you should definitely go with what you're really passionate about.